Main Street.
Drink it.
On Main Street, where you at? Alright, well, tell me when you can.
Oh, fuck, too
Yeah,
bad.
my hands smell
Tell
like
me when
this, I
you're.
think.
No. That was a new
Tell me
one.
when you're here.
Who won that beer pong? Who won that beer pong?
Fuck you.
Turn the light on his
Hey, record
Hey,
it.
that's
Hey, look, this
Right
is
now.
how much you threw.
Ah.
Hey, that's fucked
Hey,
up.
you
Man.
fucked up.
He's like, that's like he threw away like
Adrian's brother. I told you.
Right here.
Alright, well, I just told you then.
Oh yeah, we're out, yeah.
Alright, hold on. I'll go outside right now. Well, call me right now in a little bit. Alright, bye.
I'm pretty sure you always another one.
Yeah, you fucked up, homeboy.
Yeah,
Alright, hold on.
Hey, bro.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Let's go, hurry. Get over it.
Where?
Like a champ, like a champ.
Yeah?
Hold on, I want to hear who won. Hey.
Okay, who won? Who won? Who won that beer pong? Who won? Who won?
I can't hear you.
I can't either. Who won?
Good, shit, good, accurate.
Thank you. Bye, guys.